What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Resurrected Man, and I'm back with another banger, man. As you guys can all tell by the title down below, we are back with another banger music video reaction, guys. Today's video is going to be the Nature Girls MV. I'm really excited to get into the video, guys. I'm gonna have one more video coming out after this one, and I'm gonna be done for the night until later on. Excuse me. Hopefully, you guys didn't hear that burp. My bad, everybody. Before we get into the video though, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that thumbs up. And if there's a recent music video that came out in the last 2 or 3 days, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to get a reaction out for you guys. And yeah, man, let's get right into the video. Is that blood? What the heck? The heck is going on? Are those ghosts? Dude, what the heck is going on in this video? I like how her voice is with this beat. Okay, so now to those that like always wonder, like when I say I like how like these are always upbeat, whether it be like a slow song or a sad song, like, this is what I mean. Like, I don't know if this song is like supposed to be sad or happy, but like the way that she's singing, like she's singing kind of slow, but the beat is like like it's an upbeat joint, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like vibing and dancing to it while she's singing, but at the same time it's like she's singing kind of slower than somebody would in like a upbeat song, you know what I'm saying? That's why like I enjoy these a lot more. Oh, that beat drop was crazy, y'all. That you know what I'm saying? Like, that was crazy. Hold on. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo. Then she said, Sada really make me silly. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, silly. Make me silly. Oh, that's kind of dope. How when she pulled the covers off, it's like a garden kind of. That's kind of clean right there, y'all. That was creative. Hey. Uh oh. These bathrooms look like some type of bathroom. That would be, hold on. These look like they would be inside of abandoned, like in an abandoned house inside of a movie. There's like 3 tubs in there. There's plants starting to grow into the walls. Like, how old is this bathroom? How long has it been abandoned? You know what I'm saying? That's hella creepy right there. Dang, why is she sitting there by herself? The heck is going on? You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Now this is kind of like what's confusing to me, like just a room full of scissors. Like what's kind of like the message behind this? You know what I'm saying? Like, this is real creepy right here, y'all. Hold up, she was just busting. She just busted down real quick. Hold up, hold on. This one right here, she different. I see potential in this one. Hold on, hold on. Now I'm playing. They all got potential, y'all. Make me silly, silly. I don't know why that shit goes so hard, but that I really, I don't know why that goes so hard, y'all. Not really. Make me silly, silly. Hey, y'all. Silly. That was Girls Nature Road Code M. That was kind of dope right there. I like that. That I really make me. I don't know why that goes so hard, y'all. That's gonna be it for this video, man. I got one more coming out for the night. I appreciate you guys for watching up to this point. Thank y'all so much, man. Love you guys so much for all the love and support that you guys have been showing to the channel too. As of recent, you know, I appreciate that so much, guys. Thank you for all the love and support, man. Cannot thank you guys enough. But I'm gonna go now. Actually, I got one more coming out, like I said, y'all. Appreciate everything. I'm gonna go now. Peace, love, positivity. Spread that message as far as you guys can. And I'm hoping that you guys are having a blessed night or a blessed day. I don't know what time zone you guys live in, but regardless of the fact, I'm hoping that you guys are blessed. And thank you guys so much for watching up to this point. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace, love y'all. I'm out.